guys, and welcome back to our channel Rescue Digital Media. Today I am here to share 4 quick fixes to get rid of this file isn't playable error 0xc10100bf. But before we get started, like, subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified when our new video lands. This file isn't playable error 0xc10100bf occurs when you try to play the MP4 files on your system by using Windows Media Player or Movies and TV app. Most probably video playback error code 0xc10100bf occurs due to incompatible media player, incorrect file extension, wrong or missing video codec, and video file corruption. Now, let's move ahead to fix this. Solution 1. Try another media player to play MP4 video. If your current media player is not able to play MP4 video, then switch to other media players. However, VLC is one of the best media players as an alternative to WMP and other media players. Download and install the VLC media player on your PC. Then, launch VLC media player. Go to the Media tab. Then tap Open File. Find the MP4 video file from the location where it is stored. Then simply tap on it. Click on Play option. Now, you can enjoy watching your MP4 movie. Solution 2. Scan and remove malware. Every time you double-click on a video and see this file isn't playable error 0xc10100bf code, it means your PC might be affected with malware. So, to fix this problem, you can use the Windows Defender, which is a security tool already equipped on your computer. In order to open and run Windows Defender, you have to go to the Settings, then select Update and Security option. Now, choose Windows Security option, then tap on Virus and Threat Protection. You are ready to use the built-in security tool by Windows and scan your corrupted file. Solution 3. Fix the video with VLC player. On your Windows desktop, go to the location where you have saved your MP4 file. Copy that MP4 file and paste in the same location. And rename it as an AVI file. Then right tap on it. Click Open with option, then VLC player. If still VLC unable to play the video after renaming it, then open VLC player, then go to Tools menu. After this, tap on Preferences. Next, go to Input/Codecs. Then scroll down and find Damaged or Incomplete AVI files. Choose Always Fix option there. Select Save. Solution 4. Video Repair Tool. Even after trying these fixes, if you still unable to play your MP4 video, it means your video file is corrupted itself. So, you must try the professional video repair tool to fix the corrupted video. It has all the specifications and features that any best repair tool used to offer their users. Step 1. Download, install and launch video repair software on your system. Click on Add Files to add corrupted video files. Step 2. Click on Repair button to begin the repairing process. This start repairing your added video files one by one. Step 3. You can click on Preview, in order to preview the repaired video file within the software. And click on Save Repaired Files button to save the repaired videos at desired location. Find its download and user guide links in the below description box. Thanks for watching. And I hope you liked this video.